We started as a small industrial controls distributor in Mount Laurel, New Jersey. Today, we have 9 locations and employ approximately 900 people. Our engineering department continues to design and build advanced test equipment that allows us to provide ever-expanding solutions for our motion customers.
We start out with units entering the building. They are brought to receivers who review their paperwork, and they decide where they're going to be routed. The condition of the item is going to be assessed, as well as the condition of parts, so that we can determine what we would have to put into it as far as the work is concerned. Many things that we repair are not documented online because they are proprietary or they're special parts. So that's the time when these things are identified and evaluations take place.
Our AutoStore system is comprised of 49,867 bins. Each bin is stacked 16 high with the possibility of a 17th bin on top for extra maneuverability. Currently, we are averaging about 115 picks per port per hour. In this model, the robots are actually bringing bins to the picker. So instead of having a normal pedestrian picker on foot going from bin to bin, the robots are actually bringing the bins to the picker so they can remain in one area. They can pick the parts out of the bin and then close the order and send the order over to shipping immediately. Our system is currently set up to handle almost 50,000 bins. We actually have 49,867 currently. We also have the ability to store parts for our own technicians in the system, which increases our pick speeds so that they can use those parts to repair other items within our building here. Or we can even do a transfer and transfer those items to one of our other facilities for repair or their inventory storage purposes. When we get a new product into the building for repair, for instance, we might not already have a test rack set up for that because we're seeing brand new items daily. We have a lot of products in the AutoStore system that we can get down to the technician quickly, and he can use that either for testing purposes or comparison purposes. And since Motion is one of our leading repair customers, this helps complete their jobs on time and more accurately.
The next process would involve the actual work on the unit where it's cleaned. Any electronics work is done, soldering on circuit boards, repair of circuit boards if it's a damaged circuit board. And in the case of motors, we do have the capability to do that. We do have a full machine shop.
Every motor that comes in, we replace the bearings on. That's on automatic. And if feedback goes bad, we replace the feedback on it. We tear the motor down, sandblast the motor. After it's sandblasted, we reassemble everything, put it on our test equipment, realign the feedback that's on the motor, and fully run it, fully test it. And after that, we throw it in the paint booth, paint it up, and we test it again, and it's ready to be shipped out to the customer. Once the unit is fully tested and ready for shipment, we print out the work reports, and we guarantee a 2-year warranty on the units after it's finished. After we're done with the motors and they ship back to the customers, we usually hear that the customer's usually saying that it's not their motor when it is, because it looks brand new when it's done.